Alright guys, let's start today's class. So I think we stopped here, right? We discussed till this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So fine. Have you done these questions? Dimpu and Pawan?
ట్రై చేశాం సార్.
Okay. రాలేదా?
చేసాను.
Okay. Let's solve these questions. A class has 175 students. The following data shows the number of students opting for one or more subjects. Okay. So mathematics 100, physics 70, chemistry 40, mathematics, and how many students have opted mathematics alone, right? So mathematics alone. So you can do this question in many number of ways, right? For example, let's try to do with the help of Venn diagram. Okay, so let's draw Venn diagrams like this. So let's name each part A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so a class has 175 students, so total students is 175, right? That means total A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G is 175. Okay. Mathematics is opted by 100, so mathematics is A plus B plus D plus E, right? So this is mathematics, this is physics, this is chemistry. So this entire thing is mathematics, right? Mathematics is opted by 100, so this is 100. Okay. Physics is opted by 70. B plus C plus E plus F is 70. And chemistry is opted by 40. That means D plus E plus F plus G equals to 40. All right. Then we have something called as like mathematics and chemistry, right? So mathematics and chemistry is this common area, that is D plus E, which is 28. Mathematics and physics, this common area B plus E, which is 30, right? And physics and chemistry, so this is physics and chemistry is your E plus F, right? So E plus F is 23. Mathematics and physics and chemistry 18, so E is 18, right? Now what you have to find, you have to find how many students have opted mathematics alone. That means you have to find only the value of A. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if E is 18, then I can find F as 5. If E is 18, B is 12. And if E is 18, D is 10. Okay, so I got B, F, D and E values, right? Now I will substitute in each of them, right? Let's say I substitute in this one, in the last one, right? So last one, what is this? It says D plus E plus F plus G equals to 40, right? Right. So what is D? D is nothing but 10. So 10 plus E 18 plus F 5 plus G equals to 40. That means G is equals to 28, 33, right? So 7, right? So I got G as 7, right? So we figured out G as 7, right? So we'll write it here. Next what? Here we have B plus C plus, or directly I could use this only. Okay, no, I have to figure out what is B. Do I know B? Yes, I know B. Directly I can put it here only, right? So what is A plus B is 12, D is 10, E is 18. That is equals to 100, right? So A plus, this is 30, 40. So A is equals to 60. So 60 is my answer. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So you have to rework all these questions, okay? Whichever you tried and you did not get them, you have to redo them once again. Until and unless you do them, you'll not get them, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Let's look at this question. Out of 800 boys in a school, 224 played cricket, 240 played hockey, and 336 played for of the total 64 played both and 40 played 24 played all. Then the number of guys who did not play any game. See, this is 800 boys is number of elements in the universal set. Right? That means these are the three sets. Right? So there will be some people who did not play any of the games, right? That is these people. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what do we have to find? We have to find this is 800. He is asking who did not play any game. That means n of u minus what we have to find is n of cricket union, hockey union, basketball. Because these are the people who played all these three games. Like any at least one of the games they might have played, right? So from the total number of numbers, if I remove this, then I'll get the people who did not play any game, right? So I have to find this one, n of u c union h union b. I know the formula, right? What is that? N of c plus n of h plus n of b minus n of c intersection h minus n of c intersection b minus n of b intersection h plus n of c intersection b intersection h. I'll apply this formula. So 224 plus 240 plus 336 minus 64 minus 80 minus 40 plus 24. Right. So what is this? 224 plus 336, 360. 360 plus 200 is 660, 660, 700, 900. So this is 900 minus 80, 40 is 120. 120 minus 64. So minus 184 plus 24. That is 900 minus 160. So this is nothing but your 740. Right? Now we have to subtract this from 800, right? So 800 minus 740. Oh, did we make any mistake? Wait, this is 224 plus 336, right? So it is 360, 560. Sorry, this is 800, guys. Right? So this is 640, right? So therefore 800 minus 640 is 160. So that's our answer. Understood, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, simply we are applying the basic logics, right? These are the problems that are based on the simple logics, okay? Either you can do it by formula approach or you can do it by Venn diagram approach, right? So whatever is the approach, that's not a big deal, right? So first of all, you have to have a clear understanding of what you are going to find, right? Or what is asked in the question for you to find, right? So first you should have a clear understanding of that. Then you can find it easily. All right, let's look at this question. In a certain town, 25% of the families own a phone. Okay. So 25% own a phone. So N of phone is 0.25. 15% own a car. So N of car is 15%. 65% neither own a phone nor a car. That means with 65% people, there is no phone or there is no car. Any one of them is also not there. That means he is saying that basically this is the N of P union C whole complement. This is he is saying 0.65. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now what is this? This is nothing but total universal set will be 100%. right? That means it is 1, right? So from 1, so that is n of u minus n of p union c is 0.65, right? But is the from the universal set, if I remove p union c, then I'll get p union c whole complement. That is what the complement definition is, right? So what is n of u? N of u means universal set. Universal set means it always contain 100%. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
100% means, because I'm writing it in the decimals, I'll write 1. 1 minus n of p union c equals to 0.65. From this, n of p union c is nothing but 0.35. That means 35% of the people either own a phone or a car. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, consider the following. 10% own both car and phone. That means we have to calculate n of p intersection c. Now we know that n of p union c is n of p plus n of c minus n of p intersection c. So this is 30.35 equals to 0.25 plus 0.15 minus n of p intersection c, which implies n of p intersection c is 0.05. He said 10%. No, statement 1 is wrong. Only 5% own. 35% own either a car or a phone. Correct, right? Because we got n of p union c as 0.3. Clear? Any doubts?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. All right. So the next statement says 40,000 families live in the town. Okay, there is third statement as well. Okay. So the first statement is false. The second statement is true. 40,000 live in the town. Okay, let's see. He said that 2,000 families own both car and phone, right? So we got 5%. So 5% is equivalent to 2,000 families. Now what is 100% equivalent to? I have to multiply by 20, right? So that will be 40,000, right? Correct. So 40,000 families live in the town. Yes, the 40,000 families live in the town because that is 100%. So statement 2 and statement 3 are correct. Statement 1 is wrong. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, let's look at this last problem. From 50 students taking examinations in maths, physics, and chemistry, right? So 50 students are taking the exams. That means he has given that n of m union p union c is 50. Each of the student has passed at least one of the subject, right? So at least one of the subject he has passed. That's the reason we are taking n of m union p union c is 50, right? That is what your union means, right? Now 37 passed maths. That means your n of m is 37. N of p is 24. N of c is 43. Okay. Right. At most 19 passed maths and physics. Now what is the meaning of this word at most? అంటే ఎక్కువలో ఎక్కువ 19 మంది పాస్ అవ్వగలిగారు రెండు. అంటే మాక్సిమం అంతమంది పాస్ అవ్వగలిగారు. అంటే బోత్ పాస్డ్ మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ ఫిజిక్స్ అంటే ఇట్స్ n ఆఫ్ m ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ p ఇట్స్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 19. దట్ ఈస్ అట్ మోస్ట్ అంటే అంతకు మించి పాస్ అవ్వలేకపోయారు. అర్థమైందా ఇది?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So same, at most 29 passed maths and chemistry. That means n of maths intersection chemistry is less than or equal to 29. Next, n of physics intersection chemistry is less than or equal to 20. So in more statements. Now he is asking about question about the largest possible that could have passed all the three examinations. That means he is asking n of m intersection p intersection c is less than or equal to what? Right? The largest possible number that could have passed all the three examinations is what? Now with this information we have to find, right? Now again what we will do, we know the standard formula, right? What is the standard formula? n of m union p union c is n of m plus n of p plus n of c minus n of m intersection p minus n of p intersection c minus n of c intersection m plus n of m intersection p intersection c. Okay. Now this is already we know, right? So this is 50 equals to n of m is 37 plus 24 plus 43 minus let's keep them as it is for now, because after at the last step we'll write it in terms of inequalities. Okay, n of m intersection p, n of p intersection c minus n of c intersection m plus n of m intersection p intersection c. Okay, so this will be 50 equals to 37 plus 43 will be 40 40 80 80 plus 2 104, right? So what will happen if I take them to this side? So this becomes n of m intersection p plus n of p intersection c plus n of c intersection m is equal to 104 minus 50 is 54 plus n of m intersection p intersection c. Now we know that this is less than or equal to 19, this is less than or equal to 29, and this is less than or equal to 20. So this entire thing, that is my 54 plus n of m intersection p intersection c, will be less than or equal to 19 plus 29 plus 20, which is 48 plus 20, 60. Sorry, which is 29, 19 plus 29 is how much? 38, 48. 48 plus 20 is 68. ఇది అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఈ స్టెప్ ఎలా రాశాను?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే ఇవన్నీ లెస్సర్ దెన్ 19 29 20 కాబట్టి ఇదంతా కూడా ఏముంది, దాని సమ్ కంటే లెస్ ఉండాలి, రైట్? సో దేర్ ఫోర్ n of m intersection p intersection c is less than or equal to 14. So the largest possible number that could have passed all the three examinations, that is my n of m intersection p intersection c యొక్క లార్జెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏది ఉంటుంది అంటే 14 ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ మై ఆన్సర్, 14. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Dimpu, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So fine. So we are done with the chapter sets. Okay. Concepts wise, problems wise, we are completed. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే you have to write some tests. Okay. So already I shared one worksheet. ఒక వర్క్షీట్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ షేర్ చేశాను కదా?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So from now onwards we'll be working on 2 worksheets. Okay, so you should write them as some sort of exams. Okay.